tradition as taught to them by their guru, Srimati Chandra Chakravarti. Srimati Chandra Chakravarti is an exponent of the Kirana tradition of the North Indian classical music, that is Hindustani classical music. Now, let me invite and introduce the artists. First of all, Aniruddha Mukherjee. Aniruddha is going to accompany Anuja and Priya on tabla. Aniruddha is one of the most talented and flourishing tabla players in the UK and India. He has trained under Sri Debashish Mukherjee and also from tabla exponent, late Pandit Shubhankar Banerjee. Aniruddha got his master's degree in music from Ravindra Bharati University, and he has bagged several prizes and honors for his brilliant performances and is an A-grade artist of All India Radio Kolkata. Next, I'm going to invite Rishikesh Kardile. Rishikesh will accompany Anuja and Priya on harmonium. Rishikesh is an up-and-coming harmonium player based in London. His passion for Indian classical music has been instilled in him by his mother and guru, Mrs. Surekha Kardile, a trained vocalist. Rishikesh has accompanied many artists in London and UK. Alongside his corporate career, he continues to pursue music, and his ability to be an excellent supporting artist to vocalists has been widely appreciated. Next, I'm going to introduce Priya. Dr. Priya Bhagwat got introduced to classical music in her childhood in Hubli, Karnataka, India, from Sri Modak and later from Srimati Kshipra Kulkarni in Karad, Maharashtra. After a gap of many years, she started learning again here in London from Srimati Chandra Chakravarti since 2011. In her day job, she is a consultant histopathologist working at Imperial College Hospital in London. Priya is going to start the first part of this concert. However, the next part is going to be carried on by Anuja. So I'll introduce her as well. Anuja Pradhan. She will be presenting in the second half. Anuja began her musical journey at the age of 8. She was under the tutelage of Mrs. Rupa Joshi and later Sri Vasantrao Kulkarni during her formative years in Mumbai. She has completed her Madhyama Purna level in vocal music from the prestigious Gandharva Mahavidyalaya, but could not pursue further for a while. From 2017, she has been learning from Chandraji, and she is a software engineer by profession. Let's enjoy the music.
Sound to the speaker, please, Raghuji. Sorry, just give us a couple of seconds to set things up. hear me okay? Is that better? Namaste and pranam to everyone here. My special pranams to my Guruji, Srimati Chandra Chakraborty, with whose permission I wish to begin today's program. The first half is going to be me for about 40 minutes, followed by Anuja, who you will hear in the second half of the program. So I am going to be presenting Rag Nand. Nand is also called Anandi Kalyan in the North Indian style of music, which we call Hindustani Shastriya Sangeet. It's a very popular rag, sung usually in the second prahar of the night, which is the later part of night. And it's actually, every rag has a mood, and this one actually is about joy and a bit of romantic also, I would say. So I'll be presenting 3 pieces. The first one is set to Vilambit, which is a slow tempo, which is called Eri Bare Saiya, set to Vilambit Ektal. It actually means, oh my beloved, I am looking for you. That's what it means. The second one is Madhya Lay, which is a medium tempo piece, Ajahuna Ai More Sham, which is actually an ode to Lord Krishna. To say, oh, I don't see my beloved Lord Krishna just as yet. And the final piece is Mana Bera Bera Chahata. I do want to see you again and again. That is at a fast tempo. So the first one is set to Vilambit, which is a slow tempo. Rag Nand. Aniruddha ji, Rishikesh ji. बारे सैया रे बारे सैया दा दा ba ma ba ma ba da ba ma ba re sa ni re sa ni re sa ni da ba ma ba sa re sa ni re sa ni sa da da ma ma pa ma da ma pa re sa ni sa he re ba re saiya ma pa da ba ma ba sa ga ma dha ma pa ma pa pa dha pa ma pa ni da ba ma pa ni da ba ma pa sa ni da ba ma pa re sa re ba re saiya pa ni da ba ma pa sa ma ba sa ni da ba ma pa sa re sa ni da ba ma pa sa ni re sa ni da ba ma pa ma pa da ba ma pa ma da pa ma pa sa ni re sa ni da ba ma pa sa saiya re ba re saiya pa ni sa ni da ba ma pa ma pa ga ma da ba ma pa re sa re sa ni da ba ma pa ga re sa ni da ba ma pa re sa he re ba re saiya sa ni sa pa ma pa da ma pa sa ni sa dhani re pa da ma pa ga ma sa ga ma da pa ma pa ma pa da ma pa sa ni da ba ma pa sa ni sa re ba re saiya sa ni re ni da ba ma pa da ba ma pa re sa ni da ba ma pa sa ni sa ni da ba ma pa sa he re ba re saiya तेरी बारे सैया तो है सगाला वन ढूंढू तेरी बारे सैया तेरी बारे सैया तेरी बारे सैया तो है सगाला वन ढूंढू तो है सगाला वन ढूंढू मेरे बारे सैया तेरी बारे सैया पम पध मध पम प तेरी बारे सैया पनी ध प मध पम प तेरी बारे सैया म प सा नि ध पम प रे सा तेरी बारे सैया तेरी बारे सैया बारे सैया तेरी बारे सैया तेरी बारे सैया तो है सागर बना ढूंढू तेरी बारे सैया सैया तेरी बारे सैया आज हुन आए मोरे श्याम 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 आज हुन आए मोरे बहुत दिन बीते आज वो न आए मोरे श्याम आज वो न आए ना
Shah
और मद छायो जो आवे धाम आज हुन आए मोरे श्याम आज हुन आए मोरे श्याम बहुत दिन बीते बहुत दिन बीते आज हुन आए आज हुन आए आज हुन आए। मन बेर बेर चाहत मन बेर बेर चाहत मन बेर बेर चाहत मन बेर बेर चाहत बेर बेर चाहत मन बेर बेर चाहत मन बेर बेर चाहत तुम्हारे दरस देखन को बलमा मन बेर बेर चाहत मन बेर बेर चाहत तुम्हारे दरस देखन को बलमा मन बेर बेर चाहत मन बेर 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 चाहत मन बेर बेर चाहत तुम्हारे दरस देखन को बलमा मन बेर बेर चाहत बेर बेर चाहत बेर बेर चाहत मन बेर बेर चाहत तुम तो ऐसा ही तुम तो ऐसा ही सरस रसीले तुम तो ऐसा ही सरस रसीले सुंदर सुगर चाल चलत मतवारी प्यारे ओ बलमा मन बेर बेर चाहत मन बेर बेर चाहत मन बेर बेर चाहत तुम्हारे दरस देखन को बलमा मन बेर बेर चाहत मन बेर बेर परे सा नि सा बेर बेर प परे रे सा सा बेर बेर प म द प म द प म प प बेर बेर प नि सा नि द प म द प म प बेर बेर सा नि द प म प बेर बेर ni ni da pa da da pa ma pa pa re sa ni sa re 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 pa ni sa ni da pa ma pa da da pa ma pa ni ni da pa da da pa ma pa pa re sa pa re sa pa re sa my friend Anuja will follow me now. Please may I have Anuja on the stage. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Pranam to Guruji.
Good evening. And pranam to everyone. Pranam to my Guru Srimati Chandra Chakravarti ji. Today I will be presenting 3 pieces. 2 will be in Rag Bihag and followed by Rag Hansadwani. So Rag Bihag uses all 7 notes and uses 2 madhyamas. So Shuddhama is prominently used and Tivrama is usually used with Pa. And usually this rag is sung between 9 and 12 at night. So my first bandish is Lata Ulaji Sulaja Jare Balama. So this is a Madhya Vilambit bandish, and basically the meaning of this bandish is, it's basically based on the Sringara Rasa. It's a very light-hearted, playful exchange between a woman and her lover, which invites him to sort out her tangled tresses as she has applied henna on her hand and therefore she's unable to do so. My second bandish is called Aliri Alabeli. It is essentially extolling the virtues of a beautiful lady. It will be showing, basically I'll be showing some at 2 places. First one is on Alabeli, Aliri on Alabeli, and second one is on Ali Ri. So just look out for it.